Mula sa Biblia ng Juan 11, 25 hanggang 26. Sinabi ni Jesus sa kanya, "Ako ang muling pagkabuhay at ang buhay. Ang mga sumasampalataya sa akin ay mabubuhay kahit na siya ay mamatay. At sino mang nabubuhay at sumasampalataya sa akin ay hindi mamamatay kailanman." Naniniwala ka ba rito? Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark feel a sound of love, hold my hand and not be fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the wind and lucid trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. I'm sure seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. I will be here. And I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you, the one who gave this to me.
Sa pagkawala po ng Tito Poleng, Ang dalangin po naming magkakapatid ay para sa ating buong pamilya. May God comfort us and shine His light upon us. Kami pong magkakapatid ay patuloy na ipapanalangin ang buong pamilya ni Tito Poleng na malampasan at makayanan ng pagsubok na kinakaharap. Payapa na po ang Tito Poleng. No more pain, no more sadness, no more cry. Makakasama na po niya sila mama, mga kapatid po niya, at ang kanya pong mga magulang. God bless po, Velia family.